Right now, as you watch this, a spacecraft is flying through deep space, nearly 2 billion miles from Earth, heading toward a frozen moon that may hide alien life beneath its surface. At the same time, astronauts are preparing to return to the moon, and engineers are building rockets powerful enough to take humans to Mars. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. In the next 10 years, they're going to change everything from discovering life beyond Earth, to building bases on the moon, to humans stepping onto another planet. This decade will redefine humanity's future. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at the night sky the same way again. In 2026, we are living in what many call a golden age of space exploration. After more than 50 years, humans have finally returned to deep space. Recent missions have sent astronauts around the moon, something we hadn't done since the 1970s. At the same time, rocket launches are breaking records. Private companies and countries around the world are building spacecraft, satellites, and entire space systems faster than ever before. The International Space Station has now supported human life in orbit for over 2 decades, helping us develop new technologies, medical breakthroughs, and a deeper understanding of living in space. We are no longer just observing space, we are actively moving into it. The moon is our first step, but this time, we're not just visiting. The goal is simple: go back and stay. Unlike the Apollo missions, future missions aim to build a permanent human presence on the moon, and the most important location, the lunar South Pole. Why? Because it contains frozen water hidden in dark craters. That water can be used for drinking, breathing, and even turning into rocket fuel. In other words, the moon could become a refueling station for deeper space missions. Plans over the next decade include testing new landers, sending astronauts to the surface again, and eventually building a base where humans can live and work for extended periods. And it's not just one country. Multiple nations are working toward their own lunar bases. For the first time in history, the moon is becoming a place of long-term human activity. Now comes the biggest leap of all, Mars. Within the next 10 to 15 years, humans may land on another planet for the very first time. Mars is the most Earth-like planet we know, and one of the best candidates for past or even present life. Recent missions have discovered signs that suggest ancient microbial life may have once existed there. But getting to Mars is incredibly difficult. The journey takes months. Astronauts will face radiation, isolation, and extreme conditions. Communication delays mean they'll be completely on their own. Yet, solutions are already being tested. Scientists are learning how to grow food in space, produce oxygen from the Martian atmosphere, and extract water from underground ice. The first humans on Mars won't just visit. They'll begin building the first outpost on another world. For the first time in history, humanity will become a multi-planet species. This could be the most important discovery of all. We may finally answer one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone? Right now, missions are targeting places where life could exist beyond Earth. One of the most exciting is a frozen moon orbiting Jupiter, believed to have a massive ocean hidden beneath its icy surface, possibly containing more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. If life exists there, it could completely change our understanding of biology and the universe. Meanwhile, Mars missions are collecting samples that may hold evidence of ancient life, waiting to be brought back to Earth. And powerful space telescopes are already detecting unusual molecules in the atmospheres of distant planets, possible signs of life far beyond our solar system. We are closer than ever to discovering that we are not alone. Space is no longer just exploration. It's becoming one of the biggest industries on Earth. The global space economy is growing rapidly, with companies building rockets, satellites, and even plans for space stations and hotels. Reusable rockets have drastically reduced the cost of space travel, making access to space more common than ever before. And the impact is already visible on Earth. Satellite technology powers GPS, internet connectivity, weather tracking, and disaster prediction. Medical research in space has led to real-world treatments. As private companies handle operations closer to Earth, space agencies can focus on deeper missions to the moon, Mars, and beyond. The next decade will see more launches, more innovation, and more humans in space than ever before. For thousands of years, humans have looked at the stars and wondered what's out there. Now, for the first time, we are stepping into that unknown. In the coming decade, we may have humans living on the moon, missions reaching Mars, evidence of life beyond Earth, a thriving economy beyond our planet. But there's another reason this matters. Space is not just an opportunity, it's also a challenge. Asteroids, cosmic events, and unknown threats exist beyond Earth. Missions are already testing ways to protect our planet from potential impacts, because in the long run, the survival of humanity may depend on one thing, not staying on just one planet. We are living at a turning point in human history. In just the past year, we've sent humans back toward the moon, launched missions to distant worlds, and made discoveries that bring us closer to finding life beyond Earth. And this is only the beginning. By the 2030s, we could see humans on Mars, permanent bases on the moon, and answers to questions we've asked for centuries. The next 10 years won't just change space exploration. They will change what it means to be human. The universe is calling. And for the first time in history, we're answering. If this video gave you chills, even just a little, smash that like button and subscribe, because we are going to follow every single moment of this journey together